Hi all, I'm Arjun and today I'm going to invite my wife Vaishnavi and we will have a casual conversation about how she grew her YouTube channel from 0 to 150 subscribers in 75 days without having any kind of knowledge in creating or publishing content. Let's welcome Vaishnavi.
Hello.
Hi Vaishnavi,
Hi.
welcome.
Thank you. Hi all.
Congrats Vaishnavi on crossing the first milestone of 150 subscribers for your YouTube channel Ammamagari Prapancham. Before we talk about how she grew her channel and her experience, let's hear a brief introduction about her. Vaishnavi, can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hi everyone. I'm all excited to be here and talk about my channel. And to tell a brief about myself, I am a BA graduate and I've done my BA Psychology from Karnataka State Open University from Mysore.
Mysore? I stayed there for like 3 years and it's an amazing place. If you have not been there, you should definitely go and check out that place. Anyways, let's get back to her introduction.
Yeah, Mysore, I got married and I stayed in Mysore for a month or two and then we flew to US. So the 1 month journey in Mysore was really amazing and I can definitely not forget the moments I spent in Mysore. I would definitely love to go back and settle in Mysore if given a chance though. Okay, that was our Mysore journey. Coming to my professional experience, I am a visa expert and I have worked with large firms like SOTC, Kony India, FCM Travel Solutions, Aka Travel Tours Private Limited, and I am currently a freelancer in the same industry.
Oh, that's good to know. But you mentioned that you are totally into the travel industry. But what's the inspiration to start this channel then?
Sure, Arjun, thanks for that question. I would definitely love to answer that. I would like to mention three key points for this channel to be started. First one would be my grandmother. She's like 80 plus years now, and she has been writing a lot of riddles, shlokas, and a few mythological stories, and a lot more from a decade now. So that was one of the inspiration which made me to start this channel. I just wanted to bring all this content to the world so that the people like our future generations will definitely be able to learn a lot of things through this channel.
Totally agree with you. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Then the second key point I would like to mention is that is you. Without your inspiration and your push and your knowledge towards facing the camera or facing the world through YouTube channel, creating content in the ways of like editing and everything, you are the one who inspired me and who guided me a lot in getting this channel to this level.
Oh, happy to say I have a fan now. Thanks, Vaishnavi.
Yeah. Okay, and the third key point I'd like to mention is my industry. The tourism industry is in a downfall now, and since there are no bookings happening, there are no people traveling abroad or in India also. So I had a lot of time to explore on this, and I had to learn a lot and to get the channel to this shape. So I had ample amount of time to sit and work on it.
I think that's a very good idea. As you can see, when there is an impact on your main source of income or even the industry in which you are working in, this provides you an opportunity to look at what new skill sets you can get. Thanks for that insight. That really helps.
Yes.
So, you had to move from your travel industry to this content creation, and this is like a totally different line. Can you talk about what skill sets you had and what did you learn on the way?
Interesting question. Actually, I had no idea about what skill sets I would need to start off this channel. Initially, when I was in the travel industry, I was just using PowerPoints or websites where I could book tickets, hotels, and Excel sheets to maintain what all bookings I have done and stuff like that. But after getting into this YouTube channel, I had to learn a lot of things which can put me in this level of creating content and editing softwares like Camtasia, recording it, and using Canva for a lot of slides creation and things like that.
That's really good to know. So you did have a good learning journey along the way you built this channel.
Yes, I do that. Yeah.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. How did you manage to get subscribers to your channel? How was it initially and how is it going now?
This is purely social media. Like, power of social media is what you can expect your audience to be in your basket. So I was using like WhatsApp status to upload my links of the content I created, and Facebook posts, Instagram, and of course your LinkedIn and my LinkedIn to get more audience to my channel. But last but not the least, I had definitely taken help from my family and friends to get audience. I had asked them to post on my behalf in their medias, in their status, everything. So in that way, I could acquire a lot of people to my channel.
That's a lot of interesting ways, right? Like we normally use this for sharing some random content, and here we can see how she made use of this to get subscribers to her channel. Very interesting.
Thank you.
So, how did you manage to upload videos on a daily basis?
Okay, I would like to say that it is goal settings. Like, I made it a point and I made it a goal that I have to upload at least one video per day. And I have been listening to you saying that if you upload 33 days, 33 videos, that is like one video per day, people will have that interest that you have something in your channel and it will get attracted. So that is how I started uploading each video per day. And after that, it is like pure interest. Like, I wanted to grow my channel and bring in a lot of viewers to learn more things about mythology and things like that. So that is why I started like posting more videos on daily basis.
That's very good to know. In this journey, did you feel any hurdles and how did you overcome them?
A lot of hurdles I had to face, like fear of failure, thinking that nobody would watch my content, nobody would like my videos because there were a lot of Telugu stuff in it, and it would not be appealing for non-Telugu speaking people. And second thing will be like social expectations. Like people will think that okay, this girl is uploading all these videos and she might be earning a lot, but that's not the case. This is not an employer or employee kind of journey you're having. It is purely business, like entrepreneurship. So if you give a lot of value to your content and your channel, definitely it will be a fruitful result at the end of the day. So that is what I believe. I had hurdles. Only these two were the major things. And initially, as I told you, that I had no idea about how to upload things and stuff like that. So that was also a main hurdle which I had faced initially.
These are very interesting insights to know. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Now that you have more than 70 videos in your channel, have you received any feedback about the content?
Yes, I got a lot of feedback. Initially, it was constructive feedback saying that people would not just go through the slides because initially I had updated episodes only with the slides and with a light background music and stuff. But later, after listening to many people giving me feedbacks, I thought that okay, let me do some voiceover. Like, people wanted to listen to me, so I had to try giving voiceovers to the episodes. Like when I came to this mythological stories and all, I had given a complete voiceover for the episode. So that is where I got a lot of positive feedback for my episodes.
So did people have to say anything about your voice? How do they feel about it?
I got a very much positive response for that voiceover episodes of mine, saying that my voice is very soothing, polite, and it would attract a lot of kids. And they told me that I can do storytelling and things like that. And then there was an incident I remember that at the age of 7, I started giving my voiceover to one of the advertisements on radio at that time. So that was one of the inspiration which made me to give voiceover for most of the episodes which is coming up now.
That's good to know. So if any of you is looking for a voiceover artist, so please contact Vaishnav.
Yeah, I am all ready to do that.
Nice. So now you have reached 150 subscribers. What's your next goal and what are your next plans for this channel?
Yeah, my next target is to reach 250 subscribers, and I have got feedback saying that like how to improve my channel, and I am actively working on that and looking forward to upload those episodes in the upcoming days.
So you're going to see something new from Vaishnavi in the next set of episodes, so please stay tuned. Initially, you heard Vaishnavi saying that her grandmother is the main inspiration for creating this channel, and she had created a lot of content by herself. Now, let's hear from her how she created this content and what all she did.
హాయ్, నేను ఎవరో తెలుసా? వైష్ణవి అమ్మమ్మని. అమ్మమ్మ గారి ప్రపంచం చూసి నన్ను చూడాలా, నాతో మాట్లాడాలని అడిగారట. అందుకే వచ్చాను మీ దగ్గరికి. నాకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ముగ్గులన్నా, పాటలన్నా, ఆటలన్నా చాలా ఇష్టం. అది ఉన్నట్లుండి ఒకరోజు ఎందుకో ఇవన్నీ పిల్లలకు తెలియవు కదా, మనం రాసి పెడితే వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పటికైనా గుర్తు ఉంటుంది కదా అని హిస్టరీలో కూడా ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో, ఈ ఓడలు, విమానాలు ఎవరు తయారు చేశారు, ఇటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా 4 పేజీలు రాసి పెట్టాను. ఆ తర్వాత కొన్నాళ్ళకి పొడుపు కథలు, సామెతలు, ఎటు చదివినా ఒకే పదం వచ్చే మాదిరి తుఫాన్ పేర్లు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా రాసుకున్నాను. ఇవి ముందు తరం వాళ్ళకు ఇవన్నీ గుర్తు ఉండవు, అందువల్ల నేను ఇవన్నీ రాశాను. ఇప్పుడు తెలియని వాళ్ళకి ఇవన్నీ సరిగ్గా తెలుస్తుంది కదా. అట్లా ఒకరోజు కూర్చున్నప్పుడు ఊరికే మామూలుగా రాస్తామని 1, 2 మొదలుపెట్టిన దాన్ని సామెతలే 600 వరకు రాశాను. ఇక పొడుపు కథలు, హిస్టరీ నుంచి ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎన్నో రాస్తున్నాను. అవన్నీ అట్లే పడి ఉన్నాయి. తర్వాత వైష్ణవి వాళ్ళ అమ్మ ఒకరోజు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు, ఎందుకమ్మా ఇన్ని రాసి పెట్టి వేస్ట్గా పెట్టుకున్నావు, మా దగ్గర ఇస్తే దాన్ని వివరంగా తిరుగుతామని చెప్పి వచ్చి బుక్స్ ఎత్తుకొని వెళ్ళారు. ప్రతి ఒక్క విషయం కూడాను నాకు ఇది అపురూపం అనిపించింది, తక్షణం రాస్తాను. అదే మాదిరిగా ఇప్పటికీ రాస్తూ ఉంటాను. అదే తీసుకొచ్చి ఇప్పుడు వైష్ణవి దాన్ని వివరంగా మీకు తెలుపుతూ ఉన్నది. ఇవన్నీ మీకు సంతోషాన్ని ఇస్తుంది, తెలుస్తుంది అంటే నాకు ఎంతో సంతోషం. ఈ విధంగా నేను మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి మీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఇదే కాకుండా టీవీలో ఏదైనా లిరిక్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ వస్తే ఆ లిరిక్ని బట్టి కూడా పాటలు రాసుకున్నాను. ఒక 25-30 పాటల వరకు రాశాను. వైష్ణవి మీకు పెడుతుంది నేను రాసిన పాట కూడా వినండి. అమ్మమ్మ గారి ప్రపంచం ఛానల్కి ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. బాయ్.
Now, let's hear what a couple of her friends and family members had to say about her channel.
This is Yashwant. This channel, Ammagari Prapancham, is an unique one. It gives a very good information on Hindu mythology in such a simple manner. This channel is very useful for the new generation as information is available in a nutshell. I have shown few videos to my dad too and he really loved it. I highly recommend this channel for the uniqueness of the content and briefing techniques. Thank you.
All, how are you all doing? And how's your pandemic? I think it's very boring, right? So here is a small tip from me. Please subscribe to channel Ammagari Prapancham done by Vaishnavi, where you can listen to lot of entertainment and get to know and learn about lot of mythological stories, shlokas, devotional songs. They are really great and gives you a great knowledge. Vaishnavi, keep going. Your channel is very well entertaining all of us. Congratulations.
Till now, you shared about your journey. Would you like to share any tips and tricks for the audience who want to understand how they can create a channel for their own?
Sure, Arjun, I will share a few tips about it. Initially, when you are creating content, you have to think about what your expertise are, what you love to do, and then you can take your first step towards it. And one more thing I would say, ask yourself a question like what you're trying to learn, what you want to portray to the people. So in that way, like there are many other people also who are trying to learn the same things and they are still struggling like how to get there. So first ask yourself like what you can do and what you can portray to people. And also look for what kind of unfair advantages you have. Like in my case, I had all the content created by my grandmother. So now I have made my way through, and I have also started researching on each topic, and I have also started creating content for my channel. Another example, personal example actually, I would like to give that I am a visa expert as I told you earlier, and now I'm creating content on that, on how to become a visa expert, and it will be out soon. Other example is like you might be a music teacher and you would like to show up your talent, and there are many ways like you can try teaching them ragas in each episode and try to push your work there. So create a channel and promote that. By the way, my mom is having a channel, you know, it's Indian Music for All. Do subscribe.
Now did you get to know how she got subscribers to her channel?
That's the skill of marketing, you know. Finally, I would like to say one thing, Arjun. Like, be open to what you want to do and be brave and go do what you want to do. So, that is the only way you can grow. I can tell you that.
That's a really good one. Congratulations and all the best to your channel. And I hope you enjoyed listening to us. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you everyone for watching my channel and watching my videos and subscribing to it. Please do share it with your friends and family. And I am always open for feedback and more ideas to improve my channel. Thanks Arjun for your time.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
See you
and
guys.
all the best.
Bye.
Thank you. This was the first time both of us did a video, and it was actually saying like it was fun to do, but it was also hard. We had to place cameras in multiple angles, different light settings, and not only that, speaking in front of the camera is not so easy. We had a lot of mistakes, and you're going to watch a couple of bloopers here. So enjoy and see you.
Work experience and professional experience I have with big firms like SOTC, Kony India, and Travel Tours, FCM Travel Solutions, and what? Okay.
About how your journey was and what all you had to learn to do this. So would you like to share any kind of tips and tricks for our audience to understand?
Audience. Audience. Feedbacks tara audience. Please do share and subscribe to my channel, and there are a lot of interesting stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Thank you. Did I solidify?
Okay. A quick look at the setup for this video. Multiple cameras. And the script to look at here, connected to your laptop, and controlling the laptop using a mouse here.
Here is the interviewer, here is the participant.
And here is our guest.
And this is the tissues to wipe our, the sweat. And the one who is taking video is the host.